sausage, eggs, and grits. We're going to make a hearty, quick breakfast dish that you don't even really have to put a lot of effort in. The grits can be microwaved. The sausage can be air fried. Easy. You can even microwave the eggs, but it's doable. But I prefer to put my eggs in the pan and cook them. So we're going to pretty much do 3 eggs. Couple of sausage links and some grits, and you can use whatever butter you're going to, but I'm going to use some vegan butter, and we're going to make a well, not so healthy, but a hearty breakfast dish to get your morning started. I'll be back. This is my breakfast bowl. It consists of sausage links, cheese, eggs, grits, salt and pepper to season, and some butter, or in my case, I use vegan butter. And you have to make sure, now I have to cook this in the microwave. You can cook it on the stove, it works either way, but make sure that when you cook it, that the grits are not grindy, because if they're still grindy, that means they're not fully cooked. Some people like grindy grits. I don't. Just how I remember them. I remember the first time I came across this dish. Gosh, it's been way over 20 years ago when I was working at the Blank, and Blank is I'm not saying the first name of it. Blank Bank. They had a place where you can go get breakfast and stuff, and had this one guy I worked with. He used to eat hash and eggs, which I always, every time I look at hash, I think of dog food. But I came up with a concoction of eggs, grits, with a little bit of butter. But this is one of the dishes that you have to cook by taste. You have to make sure the grits are just right, and if not, you have to cook it longer until the grits gets to the point where it's not longer grainy. Some people like grainy grits. I don't. The links I cooked in the air fryer, and the eggs I cooked on the stove. This is absolutely a very tasty breakfast bowl that you can pretty much do pretty fast. The links and stuff, you can cook that the night before. Eggs, you can probably do the same thing. You could probably even get away with the grits, but I've never did grits and have them laid over that long. But the taste of that vegan butter, those grits and eggs, I'm going to say it, and I'm going to say it again. Fat boy's dream. It's actually pretty good. This is quite tasty. May not be the most healthiest thing to eat, but it's definitely tasty. And it's one of those foods that you're eating like, I'm good for now, until lunchtime. And I'm just ate it, and I can feel the nice warm feeling of it going down my esophagus. Oh, this is really good. Old dish. I never came up with a name for this, so I guess you can call it grits, eggs, and sausage breakfast bowl. Until next time, family, take care of yourself.